In this video we'll cover what is Redis, how does it work, and give a brief about how to use it as a primary database. If you are new to this channel, we're Backend Simplified, the home for backend developers. We highly recommend sticking to the end because we'll have a bonus that you must be familiar with if you're aiming to deploy Redis to your system. How to handle invalid cache, or in other words, what will happen if the data is changed. So, how does Redis work? The concept of Redis is deployed in every computer you use, from your laptop to the smart TV you have. Every computer has CPU and memory. The memory is organized in layers around the CPU, which makes some of them closer to the CPU. The term layer is not that important, it's just the name of this memory tank. Now, we have two rules. First, the closer the memory layer to the CPU, fetching and storing data is faster. And second, far memory can store more data and it will cost much less. So, how it works? When the computer needs a piece of data, it searches for it in the closest layer. And if it is not found, we call it a miss. And then, the search is expanded to other layers. If we find it, it will be called a hit. A server is kind of the same structure. If we'll fetch from the closest layer, it will be the quickest. But it has limited capacity, so sometimes we'll get a miss. And then we'll start driving to fetch the data in the other layers. Redis is all about speed. We have a big database that runs in the closest layer, RAM, so every fetch will be fast and therefore the user will get its data in milliseconds. This creates a great basis for a perfect user experience. Good. After we use these fancy words, let's see an example. We have a store and we fetch the prices of the products from a primary MySQL database. The user will surf to the website, the browser will send HTTP request, and the server will try to fetch it from the Redis. Because it's the first attempt, we'll have a miss. So we'll continue to fetch it from MySQL DB. Nice. We have a price of $5 and we will return it to the front end. But it's not everything. Now this value will be stored in Redis. And when a new user will come and wants to see this product, we won't need to fetch it from MySQL because we already get a hit on the Redis database. I think that you are starting to get a point. Redis emphasizes speed, but how? It's kind of a huge dictionary data structure, key value, and when we provide a key, a value is fetched fast. O1 in complexity. Redis started as a cache system, but today it is possible to use it as a primary database. Moreover, it has a various data structure, even replacement for relational databases. But we need to mention that choosing this path adds complexity to the system. Redis runs on the server, but what will happen if the node deployment is down? We should manage snaps. We didn't talk about managing loads of requests. There's a solution for this too, but we need to maintain a strong infrastructure team. If you want us to cover this topic, tell us in the comments. Nice, we're almost in our bonus. How to handle invalid cache. But if you gained any value from this video, please like and sub to our channel. So, let's see an example of invalid cache when using Redis. Here is the example we mentioned before. Now let's say the Christmas is coming and we want to make a discount on this product, and we set the price to be $1. Sounds good, we love discounts. But now when the user entered to the website, we still have a hit in Redis, so we return the price of $5. This is invalid cache data. But what can we do about it? First, we can send to Redis that the data is no longer valid when we have a change in this entity, or even send the new price. Second, it won't solve every invalid cache problem, but we set a TTL, time to live, that give an expiration for the key value stored in Redis. So after the time passes, Redis won't return this info. That's it. Please hit the like button and sub for more content like this.